Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and we ready to dive into another item review. Today I'm gonna show the Supreme Gons portrait tee. Now before we review this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss out on the next item review, unboxing, like I always say on every video. Subscribe. So the item that I have today is a piece I haven't worn, and it came out, let's see, let's go and take a look here. So it came out September 29th of 2022, week 5. They ended up dropping this Supreme and Gons tee. You could tell, like, it's a little, I gotta iron it a bit, but I haven't worn it. I bought it, it's brand new. I could flip this if I like, but this is something that I bought and I never wore. Yeah, I never wore it. You know why? Because I'm like, why did I get a magenta color? It's just so hard to match. I don't know, you could throw like some forces or something, you know, like, I don't know why I got a magenta. I might end up like giving it to my sister. It's size medium, and it came out in different colorways. Let's take a look here. It says here that it's an all classic Supreme t-shirt, printed graphic on front and back, original artwork by Mark Gonzalez. You got the Supreme in orange on the side. It's type fire, like the Supreme on the side. You got the orange lettering in Supreme right here, right on the side, with printed graphics. So you got that, it's like a painting. The lips in the bottom, and then you got the back. It says Team Supreme. It came out in green, came out in magenta, came out in white, came out in brown, and gray, and black. It came out in 5 colors. I honestly should have grabbed it in brown. I don't know, I look like a T-Mobile worker wearing this, you know. I'm probably good. My sister wanted it, so I'm like, here, you could take it. Like, I gotta bless her sometimes, you know, with some drip. This is it right here. It cost $40, like a normal Supreme tee. And yeah, they came out in different colorways. Let's check how it's doing in StockX. So right now, you could buy it now for $90. The last sale was $50. You can get this colorway, this magenta one, for $50 for medium, $74 for large, XL $98. So it's still going for bread. It's still going over like the price to value. If they buy now, $62, large $80, XL $65, XXL $98, small $82. Last sale $59. Not bad. I mean, it's $20, $20 over the price. Green. So we got green. Green is going for a little bit more money, yeah. The green one's fire too. I like the green one. The green and brown were like my top 2, but the brown one is the one that I really wanted. This is the brown one, $294 by now. Large $240, XXL $118. Last sale $56, you know. Definitely just throw your offer. You could still pay like no more than probably like $20 over the sale price. Here it is in white, similar prices. Last sale $118. See, StockX, you gotta put your own price. Whichever one wins will win. Gray one, last sale $80. This one you could get the large one for $99. US XL $61, and then the XXL you gotta bid. So it's best to just bid on all of them, honestly. Here's the GOAT prices. Brown one, you could get the large one, $158, but again, you could just throw your bids. Thing for the white one, throw your bids. Black one, gray one to 1. So yeah, this was a piece, came out in 2022. It's a good tee. I just wish I got it a different colorway. The brown one, I really liked it. I would have picked the brown one or the green one, just because I have so much black, gray. Magenta just such a bright color too. Like, it just reminds me of like when you wear, like when you're out and you see someone wearing like them highlighter green, all these highlighter colors, it's just too bright. But that's okay, because I think my sister's gonna make it fit right. Would you buy it? Did you like this colorway? Do you like more of the brown colors, the other colorways like I do? It's still brand new, haven't worn, but it's a fire tee. If you get it in any other color, I specifically think it's gonna be more fire. Like the brown and green one, super insane. This magenta one, you could really go crazy with this. I'm gonna just give it to my sister as a gift. Like, here you go. Let's go ahead and try this on and see how it fits. Alright, so Mark Gonzalez is an American skateboard artist, from what it looks like. Mark Gonzalez, also known as Gonz and the Gonz, is an American professional skateboarder and artist, a pioneer in the development of modern street skating, and considered the first street-only skateboarder alongside Natas Copas. Gonzalez and Copas are also credited with the first known board slides on a handrail. He's 55 years old and he's from Southgate, CA. So this is the guy that inspired this tee. So he's the one that made this tee, and he's a professional in the skateboarding industry. Shout out to him. And that wraps it up for our item review of our Gonz portrait tee in magenta. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more reviews, and I'll catch you in the next time. Peace.